Production technology of okra. Hello friends, this is Nikita Sharma. I am student of BTech Biotechnology first year. My course title is Production Technologies for Horticultural Crops. Today I am going to present production technology of okra. So let's get started. Introduction. Okra is a flowering plant of mallow family. It is perennial plant but mostly cultivated as annual. It is known in many English-speaking countries as ladyfingers or okra. In India, it is commonly known as bhindi. Scientific classification of okra. Okra is belong from kingdom Plantae. Binomial name of okra is Abolmoscus esculentus. Origin of okra. The okra is originated from tropical Asia and Africa. The main regions of cultivation and diversity of okra are India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh. Primary center of origin Central Asia, Near East. Secondary center of origin Africa. Botany of okra. Stem. Stem of okra is erect, very branched, herbaceous, 1 to 2 meter tall. Leaves simple, alternate, broad. Flower solitary, axillary with long peduncle, hermaphrodite in nature. Sepals. Sepals of okra are splits longitudinally as the flower opens. Petals. 5 petals, yellow to white with crimson spots on cloth. Stamens. Staminal column is united to base of petals with numerous stamens. Fruit. Fruit of okra is capsule type, fibrous, elongated and straight or curved. Seeds. In pods, row of tiny white seeds with slimy or sticky texture are present. Mature seeds are of brown color. Ovary is superior. Production technology of okra. Climate. It is warm season vegetable crop and requires a long warm growing season. It is highly sensitive to frost. Temperature 25 to 35 degrees Celsius. Sowing time. It is cultivated round year. Seed rate for rainy season 8 to 10 kg per hectare. Summer season 12 to 15 kg per hectare. Soil sandy, loam and clay. Loam soil. Land preparation. The land is prepared by giving 5 to 6 plowings. Layout and spacing. Ridges and furrow. Sometimes bhindi is also sown at the border of main crops and layout is same as for main crop. Pre-sowing treatment. The seeds are soaked overnight prior to planting. Sown at the depth of 1 to 2 centimeters. Harvesting. Flowering begins from 35 to 40 days after sowing. Fruits are ready for harvest for 2 to 5 days after flowering. Yield and crop duration. Rainy season crops give 7500 kg per hectare. Summer crops give 5000 kg per hectare. Diseases of okra. Damping of Fusarium wilt, powdery mildew, Cercospora leaf spot, yellow vein, mosaic virus, initiation leaf curl of bhindi. Now, breeding methods. Breeding methods applicable to okra are pure line selection, pedigree method, mutation breeding, heterosis breeding. Pure line selection is a method in which new varieties is developed by selection of best plant progeny among traditional varieties or land races. Varieties. Varieties of okra are Clemson, Emerald, Lee, Chinese okra, purple okra, Salisbury, Rani, Punjab 8. Now I want to share benefits of okra. Okra pods are loaded with significant amount of vital nutrients, proteins, fibers, calciums, iron and zinc. Prevents liver disease, boosts immunity, improves eyesight, helps to control hunger. That's all for the presentation. Last, I want to thank all our teachers, especially Dr. Prashant Bakshi sir, who made out learning possible in an easier way by connecting online with the students during this lockdown period. Thanks and have a nice day.